Welcome back to another video from La WEBA. Today we are going to talk about how to link your smartwatch and your wireless headphones with your smartphone. Really appreciate it if you like it, comment and share it. It helps us a lot. Let's right into it. It will be quick and simple. First, let's connect everything. Here we have the smartphone and the smartwatch, and the headphones. Everything is fully charged, which is highly recommended. Now I'm going to zoom in on the phone so you can see better. Head over the control panel and activate both location and Bluetooth. These steps are essential. Next, let's find the QR code of the watch we are using. Many smartwatches show the QR code directly to the screen, just like I'm showing right here. You will scan this code and download it at the appropriate app. Whether you are in iOS or Android, the watch will show you which app to use. In my case, I'm using Fit Pro. I open the app and it takes me directly to the settings to link the watch. Go to more settings and then tap that purple looking section. You will see several smartwatches. We've tasted several, which is why many show up, but the one I want is the Ultra. This is right here. We will tap to connect it and you will notice the watch even updates the time automatically. Now go to the section that shows linking or similar and look for the watch ID. So now we will look for 590B84. On the list we will see 7FD2C4C. That's the one I'm looking for. Tap it and it will immediately start connecting to the watch. As you can see, the smartwatch is now 100% connected. Now this step is very important. We will get the Bluetooth pairing request. Tap pair. Once that's done, exit the app. Now I'm going to lower the camera angle so you can see the phone clearly. I will take the earbuds out on the case. If they have been paired before, they should connect automatically. If not, go to Bluetooth settings and look for AirPods 6. This one here, tap on it. Now calls will no longer go through the smartwatch. They will go directly to the headphones. Sometimes it might take a moment. If it doesn't connect, put the earbuds back to the case carefully. Avoid touching the contact points and then take them out again and retry the connection. If you get a connection error like I just did, tap OK, and in this case disconnect the Ultra watch and connect the AirPods instead. Sometimes that works better. If it still doesn't work and you see the connection error again, tap OK, put the earbuds back into the case, close it and make sure they are charging. Once they are charged, take them out again and place them here. Now as you can see, they are connected. So now everything is connected. The smartwatch is linked, the headphones are paired, and now call will go directly to the headphones, not to the watch. That's how you link your smartwatch, headphones and smartphone all together. If this video helped you out or liked it, please give us a thumbs up, comments and share this video. Also, if you like to see an unboxing of these amazing headphones, let me know and I will get that done for you as soon as possible. That's all for today. Take care and see you in the next one. Bye bye.